and welcome to my channel, The Flamenco Coach. I'm Belinda Retamal. I'm here to share with you my tips that I use to improve my flamenco. Today in this video I'm going to show you an exercise which involves the use of triplets. This exercise can be used for warm-ups before getting into your dancing or even as some drills. So using triplets is a very good practice because it is used in a lot of different choreographies. If you're ready to improve your flamenco, then keep watching. Okay, so for this exercise, the first triplet we're going to be looking at is the stamp, heel, heel. So that is stamp, heel, heel. So we're alternating feet each time. So we're doing a stamp on the right, heel on the left, heel on the right. And then we go ahead and do it on the other side. Stamp, heel, heel. Let's try that a couple of times. Stamp, heel, heel, stamp, heel, heel. Stamp, heel, heel, stamp, heel, heel. Okay, so for the exercise, we're going to work in sixes. We'll do 4 triplets and finish on the 5 with 1 stamp and pause on 6 and then start again on the other side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's an exercise you can repeat as long as you need and keep it nice and slow and steady until you're managing to get all the beats in and it starts to feel comfortable. For the next variation, what we're going to do is the exercise in regular tempo, and then we're going to put the exercise in double tempo. And what that looks like is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're doing in the regular tempo, we're just putting 1 triplet in, 1. And then when we're speeding it up to the double tempo, we're putting 2 triplets in to the 1 count. 1. The first exercise we'll practice to the solo compás is the first exercise I showed you where we do the 4 triplets, finish on 5 with a stamp, and then wait for the 6 and start again on 1. So I'll give you an example with the solo compás. Let's clap the rhythm first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the pace we'll use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we do the triplet exercise that's in the double time, we'll be working to the solo compás, which is in rhythms of 6. So how we'll put those 6s to the triplets will be this way. If the compás is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the exercise in the regular time. And to speed it up into double time, we'll be using the contra beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and. That will be like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and then you're ready to start again. So to run through that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Now that we've got a couple of exercises with those triplets, let's put that to some solo compás and practice some repetitions. watching my video. I hope you found this exercise helpful and you'll be able to use it in your practice. If you enjoyed the video, then please go ahead and hit the like button and also click on subscribe if you'd like to see some more videos. I'll see you in the next one.